Hi guys, today I want to use OBDSTAR to program ADV350. This motor is 2024 year. Now we take out the smart box. For the motor smart box, we need to get the code. This is the motor smart box. The code is K2LM2. Okay, we use the OBDSTAR to find. Okay, to find it. See the wiring. Okay, so we need to use the MP001 to solder and get inside the pin code. Hi guys, we solder wiring already using the MP001 adapter, and then we use to press number 2 with pin code from the ECU. Okay, we using the machine. Okay, to press the enter. Okay, so we press this is the instruction menu. We double confirm it. Okay, confirm all the wiring, all the adapter connect already. We press yes. Okay, make sure got 12V power supply. Press yes. Okay, need 5 to 6 minutes inside can get in the pin code. Okay. Okay, we get the pin code already, guys. You see, all the pin code got here already. Okay, final we're using the programmer tester to read the data inside to program already. Okay, now can use. Okay, can on. Now we go to install inside the motorcycle there. Okay, we install back the smart box. We try it. Okay, and try to start. Okay, done already. We use OBDSTAR to program to get the password.